This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to connect Claude to Canva or Canva to Claude, depending on which you prefer. So I'm right here on a blank new conversation right here in Claude. So once you're logged into your Claude account, very simple. All you need to do is click on this plus icon right here. This is add files, connectors, and more. So a few different ways we can do this, but we're going to click on that plus icon right there. Then we're going to click on this add connectors button right here, and you'll see all of the different connectors. These are essentially plugins or apps that you can actually add to your Claude account. So you can do all of them from here. And on the main page currently, I see Canva there as number 4 most popular. If it doesn't show there, you can of course search for it, and it will come up here when I search for Canva. So we're going to click on Canva, and it gives you some basic blurb about Canva and what you'll actually get by adding this to your Claude. So we will click on the big black connect button right there. This will then sync up with your particular Canva account, as you see here, provided you are logged into your Canva account. If not, you'll have to log in, and then you just click allow. And just like that, authorization successful. Will then redirect. The MCP server is working. It is now connected to Canva, and you can do all of the great things that you can do in Canva via Claude prompts from here. So you can just start to prompt to Canva, and you can obviously do your prompts. I won't do a whole video here. That will be a separate video on what you can actually do with Canva and Claude, but that was a short video on how to connect Canva to Claude, Claude to Canva. Hope you found this useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.